Good morning, beautiful people. Is it a vlog? It's a vlog. It's my first vlog of 2025. Trying to do more of those, especially on days when I'm doing fun content stuff. I love bringing y'all around for work days, but it's still early. We're still getting the day started. It's actually raining. I just got back from the gym. Well, got back from the gym. I worked out in the apartment because I did not want to walk in the rain, but I do want to sit out on my patio in the rain because it smells delicious, and Las Vegas rain, we don't get it a lot, so you gotta take advantage of it. So right now, getting my coffee and my breakfast together. For breakfast, I'm having this Orgain protein shake, vegetarian protein. I am also having the other half of my black bean and potato Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell that I didn't finish yesterday. Are you judging me for having a Crunchwrap for breakfast? Because you better not be. I'm an adult, and being an adult means that I get to have whatever I want for breakfast. Also having these grapes, so balance. Here's what's on the docket. I got a bunch of clothes in from a Zara order that I put in, so I'm going to try those on, show them to you. Then I have a pair of white sneakers that I need to clean, so I'm gonna clean those. And then I'm working on a new costume. And actually all of this stuff I'm talking about, the Zara try-on, cleaning the white shoes, making this new dress. This is all gonna be content for the channel, which might be out already or might be coming out soon. So I don't know, maybe this is a sneak peek for what's coming. But actually, content creation has been going very well for me recently in terms of my organization. I have been trying to get into a schedule for a really long time of having set days for specific steps in my content creation process. So what it has become is Monday, Tuesday are editing days. Wednesday is a prep day and any sort of like admin work I need to do, catching up on any emails I might have missed, that kind of stuff. But the most important thing being prepping for Thursday and Friday, which are my filming days. So ideally film Thursday, Friday, and then the next Monday, Tuesday, I would edit the stuff that I filmed at the end of the week. And it's been going very well. I'm actually like 2 weeks ahead of my content, which has been a goal of mine for forever. I've kept it up for about 3 weeks. It's been going really well. We're about to get into like a busy, hectic season for me where I'm gonna be traveling a lot. So I'm glad I was able to get ahead, maybe even trying to get more ahead to prep for going away, but I'm proud of myself. All is going well. Oh, I also need to run to Michael's today to pick up some supplies. I wanna get some new expo markers for my fridge. I have like a little calendar on my fridge and I keep notes on there. My expo markers are running out. I want more colors. So getting that at Michael's. And then I also need to get more white thread for the dress I've been working on. I'm actually about halfway finished with it. I made the first half of the dress, totally hand sewing it. It was a nightmare. It didn't really come out amazing, and I don't want to do the second half of the dress hand sewing. So hopefully we can troubleshoot that today, figure all that out, and work on the dress, potentially finish it. Oh, I haven't even told you what it is, because I don't know if it's out on the channel yet. I don't know if the shorts have premiered, but because I don't know when this vlog is coming out. But it is my version of Taylor Swift's The Tortured Poets Department dress that she wore during her tour. I'm like a little late to the game, but better late than never. Anyway, time to eat my breakfast out on the patio, smell the rain. Oh God, I'm choking on this grape. So the next time we'll probably be talking is when I'm discussing whether or not I like the clothes that I bought at Zara. I'll be honest, I don't remember anything I bought, so your guess is as good as mine if I'm gonna like any of it. See you in a bit. Hello, it's later in the day. I did my Michael's run. I tried on all the Zara clothes, and I have to say, I don't know what demon was possessing me when I ordered these clothes from Zara, because a lot of them are not my style. Some of them are. We've got some winners, we've got some things I'm probably returning. Let's go through them. Starting with an item I'm going to return, this black dress. In theory, I liked it, but I have to learn, I really have to stay away from buying clothes where it's not just the model like against a white wall modeling the clothes. When it's like a lifestyle picture, buyer beware in those scenarios, because it's really hard to tell like what the garment looked like. So this is boxier and not what I was really going for. So I'm gonna return this, but I don't think a demon possessed me with that particular clothing item. Like I see the vision of what I was going for, some of the later stuff. I don't know who I was. Another Another item I'm going to return. These had promise, but they were just too small on me. I like the idea of having like a really tight pair of pinstripe pants that I could wear with like a button down and an oversized blazer. But yeah, these are way too tight. So they are getting returned. Probably my favorite item is this skirt with these fun little details on them. It fits perfectly. It's a great length. I love the style. So keeping. Moving into demon territory, who bought these? Who bought these sparkly rhinestone shorts and this sparkly rhinestone top? Was it me? This is not my style. This is so crazy, but I actually like them both a lot. I don't know, there's something about these shorts that I think are really fun, and if the rhinestones like fall off, I could see myself like acid washing these in the future when I get bored of them. The shirt honestly is a little bit big and the straps are extremely flimsy, and I don't really see there being a ton of longevity with this shirt. But something I should probably mention right now that I did not mention is all of these things except for the next item, which is a pair of jeans, I bought on clearance. So this shirt, which was originally $30, I got for $7. So I'm like, for $7, I could take this in, make it fit a little better. I could take these straps off and put on something more secure. So yeah, $7, I think I'm gonna keep the shirt and just like upcycle it a little bit. And then the only full priced item that I bought were these jeans. I'm a little worried that they're slightly too long. I wore them with my highest platform shoes and there was like this much space between the bottom of the pants and the floor. So part of me was like, I could cut them, but I actually really like the bottoms of these pants and how like worn they look. And I don't know if I want to cut them. I definitely don't want them to have an unfinished hem. So if I did cut them, I would try to like replicate what the bottom of the pants look like now, just with this visible seam that's yellow beige-ish. These fit great, love them, gonna keep them and figure out what to do with the bottoms of them. And last but not least, also fun, I love how these fit me, are these green cargo pants. I don't know what's happening on the bottom though, because so when I got them, this is what the bottom looked like. So it had this clip here and, you know, two different clips to make them smaller. And I thought making them smaller, they would be like really tight around my ankle, but they didn't really like change the fit that much. But you know, love a fun little extra detail. So it is what it is. I'm not gonna do anything with it. I don't know how I'll end up wearing them, if I'll wear them wide or if I'll keep them clipped tighter like this. But these are fun, I like them. Olive is one of my favorite colors to wear. And they're kind of giving Kim Possible vibes, which is fun. And that is the haul. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 items keeping, and 2 items I'm returning, the black dress and the capris. Now on the docket, first I have a meeting with my financial advisor, which I do once a month, check in on me and make sure I'm not spending crazy amounts of money. As I just show you my Zara haul, which I didn't pay for most of it. I think I paid like $32 for all of this. I was actually returning something that a fan had sent to my PO box. They sent me a sweater and a pair of pants that did not fit. The sweater was a little too small and the pants were a little too big. So I returned them and then shopped on clearance because I don't like paying full price for things. So I got a lot of stuff and I only paid $32 out of my own money, plus what the gift card was that I got when I returned the clothes. So my financial advisor is proud of me. And I got a financial advisor because working as an actor, you get weird income. You could like not get paid for 3 months and then like make half your income for the year in 2 weeks. So, you know, strange way to live, strange way to get money. Hired someone to help me. They've been helping. So let me go get ready for that and we'll meet over in the sewing room where I'm going to work on that Taylor Swift dress and clean those white shoes. See you this afternoon. We are going to clean these sneakers that used to be white and are now covered in brown stains. I've never done this before. I'm hoping it turns into a how-to short, but it could just end up being another fail. But look at that. White is not focusing very well on my camera. Is it too bright? There it is. Yuck. So this requires a baking soda and vinegar solution and a toothbrush or some sort of little scrub brush. I think I've got an old toothbrush, so I can make that work. Let's get to it. Ah, oh God. I forgot this is how you make volcanoes. Oh God, I accidentally made an experiment. Is this right? This is what the internet told me to do. Did it just say to mix it with water? I checked on my shoes earlier. They looked very white. They were not as white as I wanted them to be. So I scrubbed them again with dish soap and vinegar. And now I'm going to put them in the sun. And I also put more baking soda on them. So let them sit out in the sun for a bit, hopefully bleach them a bit. Not me forgetting that water and vinegar is the solution to make a volcano for a 5th grade science experiment. So I did sort of erupt my solution. When I was cleaning, figured it out. The key is to start with the baking soda and then add water, not vinegar, little by little until it's like pasty. So clean the shoes. I think I gotta leave them to dry. Once they dry, I'm gonna probably throw them in the washing machine. Hopefully it works. I would love to refresh those shoes. We'll see. But now, to close out my work day, most likely, let's seam rip this bodice and make it again. It's fine. It's great. Second time's a charm. Let's do it. Okay, update on the shoes. I did clean them again. They're better, but they're still not fully clean. I don't know if you can even tell, but like around the edges, it's still a little bit not white, but definitely better, improving. Might do a 3rd round, might just call it here because from a distance, like when they're on my feet, I don't think you'll be able to tell. Also have the Taylor Swift dress here. I'm probably not gonna show any more of this in the vlog, but we're back to the Zara clothes. I'm impromptu heading to Zara to return the clothes. I was gonna do it next week. It makes sense to do it today. I've got some time. I'm gonna pick up Kelly. She's gonna come with me, so that'll be good. I think I'm returning 3 to 4 items. I'm gonna ask her opinion, but right now, definitely returning that black dress, the pinstripe pants, might return the sparkly shirt and then the sparkly shorts. Gonna see. I'm gonna get her opinion on it, but yeah, I like them, but I just don't know. I just don't know if they belong in my closet or if I can find something else. So I'll take you to Zara, do a little clothing try on some other things I'm gonna buy instead, return those, and I'll see you back here. Oh my gosh, I am back. That was a very frustrating trip to Zara, but it's okay. Let me start from the beginning. So I decide to shop before I do the returns because I brought 4 items with me. I wasn't 100% sure. I was gonna get Kelly's opinion on 2 of the items, the sparkly top and the sparkly shorts, to see what she thought of them, but then also decide if I was gonna return them based on how many items I found that I liked. So I decided shop first and then go up to the register and just like do an exchange rather than going up to the register, returning the items, shopping, going back to the register, you know, it just seemed more streamlined. I found a vest, a skirt, and a pair of pants that I liked that equaled to about $46, and Kelly did not like the sparkly shorts, and I decided the top just wasn't worth keeping because it didn't really fit me that well and I would have had to make modifications on it anyway. And the 4 items together equaled $41. So I said, this is perfect. I'll just do an exchange, pay the balance. So I get up to the register and I say, I am doing an exchange. I'm returning 4 items and then I'm gonna buy these 3. So she goes through, processes the 4 items that I'm returning. And then she says, okay, I just returned these items. Let's ring up the other items. To which I said, okay, yeah, I think that there's gonna be a balance at the end. I think there'll be like a $6 balance or something. And she said, oh, no, I just returned those items and you're gonna get the money back on your credit card or whatever way you paid. And I said, well, I paid with a gift card. I was expecting store credit that I could just like do the exchange now. And she was like, no, you're gonna get an email in like 4 or 5 days and the gift card will be there. And also, Zara in Vegas is in a very inconvenient part of town. There's only one and it's on the Strip. So like, I am not trying to come back to the Zara and I don't want to do another online order because you need to hit a certain amount to get free shipping. Didn't want to do an online order. I was like, oh, I just want to like do this now. This is so frustrating. And also like, I'm not going to buy these items. Spend this money and then get the gift card and then come back and spend more money. The whole point was to like not spend any money or just spend like a small amount because I already spent money. I don't want to spend more money. So I was like, well, this is frustrating. Well, I'm not going to buy all this stuff then. And I just tried on and decided I really liked. So I was very upset about that. We stayed in the mall because Kelly wanted to go to a few more stores. Had zero luck. We were not having luck at all these stores we were trying. And so we're like, okay, that's all, let's leave. We're like about to leave the store and I get an email with the gift card and the money back. They put $32 back on my credit card and they gave me like a $13 gift card. Amazing! Perfect timing. I swear, if I had gotten that email when I was in the car already leaving Zara, I would have been so mad. But luckily, caught it in time, went back to the Zara, decided to just get the skirt. I decided of the 3 items, that was the one that I liked the most. It was about $14 because it was on clearance. So I paid like $2.66 and I got my skirt and I'm very excited about it. It is very like 90s grunge style, very much in line with what I like to wear. Perfect for days that I'm like working at home or running errands, even a going out outfit. I'm glad it worked out. And in the end, it was a very successful Zara haul. But from now on, I will be sticking to thrift stores, what I know and love. And that's probably all for the vlog. I still gotta work on this Taylor Swift dress, so I'm gonna go do that. Shorts are either already out for that or coming soon, so hope that you enjoy them. Stay tuned for some more thrifting, upcycling, some like little tutorials, stuff like that. There's some characters I bought stuff for a long time ago that I'm finally tackling this month, so stay tuned for that. And thank you for coming along for a vlog. Subscribe if you haven't. You'll get notified first and you'll help grow my channel. Do it. Subscribe, like, comment, all the things. And see you soon. Bye.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, girl, you cold blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero. 폭설한 게 chill there.